297 vertical toaster. Installation. Note that some toaster models may vary. Open the carton and check the accessories. Operation manual. Clamp bar. Crumb tray. Release sheet. Place the unit on a flat platform. Remove protective covering, conveyor assembly and the rest. Look out for the 2 conveyor guides on each side when removing the conveyor. Place the release sheet over the top of the platen housing. Make sure it covers the entire platen surface. Slide the clamp bar onto the top of the platen housing, securing the release sheet. Make sure to have 5 cm of overhang. Install conveyor to the toaster by sliding the 4 pins into the conveyor guides. Lower the conveyor housing until it is securely in place. Hook the end of the crumb tray onto the bar located below the conveyor assembly. Set up in operation. The toaster platen can be adjusted to provide the necessary compression. Clockwise for thicker product, counterclockwise for thinner product. One is for thinnest product and 5 is for thickest. Turn the temperature knob to change the operating temperature. One is for lowest temperature, and 10 for highest. Allow 15 minutes for toaster to stabilize after adjusting the thermostat. Plug the power cord into a proper receptacle. Start up the unit by pressing the power switch into the on position. Unit will be in warm-up mode. Preheat about 30 minutes until it reaches the preset temperature. Place bun into the top of the conveyor housing. The side to be toasted should face the platen. Heel is on the left side, and crown is on the right side. The toasted product will be dispensed automatically from the bottom of the conveyor assembly. Daily cleaning. Turn off the power switch. Unplug the toaster. Allow platen to cool for 60 minutes before touching. Caution that the unit is hot. The toaster is not waterproof. Do not clean with a water hose, nor jet spray, nor immerse in water. Remove conveyor assembly and other accessories. Wipe and clean the conveyor with a damp and sanitized cloth. Rotate the conveyor assembly when cleaning. Make sure all carbon buildup is removed thoroughly. When necessary, clean the chain with a soft brush. Remove the release sheet and lay on a flat surface. Thoroughly clean both sides with a damp cloth, making sure all carbon buildup is removed. Then clean release sheet with sanitized cloth and allow to air dry. Both sides of the release sheet can be used. Rotate daily to maximize the lifespan. Do not use sharp objects or abrasive cleaners on the platen or release sheets as it will cause irreparable damage. Clean the platen surface and exterior of toaster and accessories with sanitized cloth. Allow them to air dry. Install everything back to the toaster. For additional information, email Prince Castle Technical Service.